We're gonna be using... I'm holding it upside down. Okay. Anyways. Hey guys, it's Sabita. If you don't know who I am and you're new to this channel, please subscribe, drop some likes, comments, spread some love. As we all know, Valentine's Day is coming up in a couple of weeks. I don't have a Valentine. My mom is my Valentine. And I know she's gonna see this. Love you, Mom. So, today we are going to skip the whole foundation shebang. We got our base done. I did the contour, the concealing, my eyebrows. We are ready for the eyes. Using the Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsessions palette and the Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette. We just gotta pop out with the pinks and the red and the glitter and just spread love, love,
love, love. The girl them skill arty. Thunderball, some me give it to, some me give it to, some me give it to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Thunderball say, well, woman, the way the time cool, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, I got the right time to turn you on. And girl, I mean the papa, you can be the mom. Oh, oh. Because the girl them broke out on the floor. From you don't wanna work with performer. From you don't wanna man where can't turn you on. Girl, make I see you when them upon ya. Can't stand for the long, nah eat no yam, no steamed fish, no green banana. But down in Jamaica we give it to you hot like a sauna. Well, woman, the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Vampire clothes and they got it out, but no way I get your empty out. And if it's out of me, if it's out, I got the remedy for make it easy out. Me have a party, me got it out. And girl, if you want it, you have it out. And I try when we need set speed of it, but it's out. Well, man, the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh, oh. Girl, do something crazy now. This straight drip it and a budget and flavor show. Time for me make baby now. To stop all like you, I get shady, yo. Woman, don't blame me now, cause I'm a fix and not greedy, yo.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I judge for life, man, would you stay by my side?
The chunky glitters I've been using in this video and the previous video, I got it from Glam Beauty Co. on Instagram. The link is in their bio, and girl, they're $5. Girl, that's a deal. I'm gonna use this color, Lolita. I'm gonna use this color for my lips, outline it with black liner, and be right back. And my lipstick, Lolita down. I completely forgot that I didn't put on highlight, so we're gonna be using my favorite highlighter kit, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This one. And we're gonna go in with Golden Dawn and Sunray. Because if you're not glowing, where you going, sis? If you're not glowing, where you going?
I guess you're gonna say goodbye. Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy things in life, shawty, would it be alright? Come and show me that you do.
And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, if you're not glowing, where are you going? Honestly, where are you going if you're not glowing? Oh my god, that's my new catchphrase. Anyways, see ya guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope you all have fun for your Valentine's Day. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!